Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Strawberry Lemon Blondies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large mixing bowl, add in the butter that's been melted and cooled, and sugar, and beat them really well using a whisk. Then add in the egg, vanilla extract, lemon zest, and lemon juice, and whisk them in until they're well combined. Don't worry if the mixture splits, it will come together once the flour is added. Then add in the flour and salt, and mix them in until they're just combined. Then wash the strawberries and pat them dry. Then cut off the green part and chop them up into small pieces. Then add the chopped strawberries into the batter and fold them in until they're combined. Then pour the batter into an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan that's been lightly greased. And bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Then just cut it up and serve it. And that's how to make Strawberry Lemon Blondies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.